Before we step into extreme performance, let's look at what defines the AORUS Gen5 12000 SSD. This drive comes in the compact M2 form factor, powered by the latest PCI Express 5.0x4 interface with NVMe 2.0. With a massive 2 terabytes of capacity and breathtaking speeds, up to 12,400 megabytes per second for reading and 11,800 megabytes per second for writing. This is storage at a completely new level. Add the motherboard AIM 2 Thermal Guard Extreme with nanocarbon coating and a 5-year limited warranty. And what you get is not just an SSD, it's a foundation for next-generation performance. At the heart of this drive lies a new generation of power, driven by the PCIe Gen5 x 4 controller, the Phison PS5026E26, and paired with cutting-edge 232-layer 3D TLC NAND flash, the AORUS Gen5 12000 delivers true top-tier performance. Sequential speeds reach up to 12,400 megabytes per second for reading and 11,800 for writing, built for PC enthusiasts, gamers, and professional creators who demand instant response and zero compromise. Faster transfers, lower latency, smoother gameplay. This is what next-generation storage feels like. Speed is not just about numbers, it's about what happens behind the scenes. The PS5026E26 controller is built on an advanced 12nm process, delivering massive computing power, 8 NAND channels, DDR4 caching, and full NVMe 2.0 compliance. Compared to PCIe Gen 4 SSDs, the AORUS Gen5 12000 offers up to 70% faster read throughput and up to 72% higher write performance. What you're seeing on this chart is not just an upgrade. It's a leap into a new class of speed. Performance doesn't come from speed alone, it comes from what's inside. The AORUS Gen5 12000 uses high-grade 3D TLC NAND, selected for its balance of density, endurance, and throughput. This advanced NAND delivers faster access, greater reliability, and smoother workflows. Whether you're gaming, rendering, or moving massive files, it's not just faster storage, it's smarter performance, built for serious work. Extreme speed demands extreme cooling. The AORUS Gen5 12000 offers an optional M2 Thermal Guard Extreme, engineered with dual heat pipes, stacked fins, and nanocarbon coating for maximum heat dissipation. Dual-side high-conductivity thermal pads transfer heat directly from the SSD into the aluminum baseplate and up into the cooling fins. This design keeps temperatures under control, even in passive airflow systems, or builds using AIO liquid cooling. To prevent throttling and protect performance, always pair the drive with a motherboard heatsink or Thermal Guard Extreme. Heat is the silent enemy of performance. Higher temperatures increase the risk of data degradation, sometimes by hundreds of times. On this graph, the emerald blue line shows the AORUS Gen5 12000 with Thermal Guard Extreme, maintaining stable temperatures around 60 degrees. The pink line represents a standard Gen5 SSD, rising quickly into throttling. Lower temperature means sustained speed, higher reliability, and performance that never drops when it matters most. Powerful hardware deserves intelligent control. GIGABYTE Control Center, or GCC, is a unified software platform for all supported GIGABYTE products. It offers a clean, intuitive interface, modular controls for installed hardware, and automatic updates to keep your system future-ready. One platform, full control, total system harmony. Despite its extreme capability, the AORUS Gen5 12000 remains compact. The SSD follows the standard M2 2280 format, 80mm by 22mm, with a slim profile for wide motherboard compatibility. With Thermal Guard Extreme installed, the full assembly expands in height, delivering industrial-grade cooling in a refined form. Always refer to the compatibility list to ensure perfect fit with your motherboard. Alright, it's unboxing time. Let's see what's inside and what makes this product special. like and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks for watching.